How to set a picture in Photos as wallpaper on iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, you want to open up the Photos app. So here we tap on Photos. In Photos, we go back to our library and scroll through your library and browse for a picture that you'd like to use. So for example, this picture here, so tap on it. Then you go down and tap on the share button. From the presented menu, go down and tap on use as wallpaper. Okay, here you can tap on add. Then you can choose it to use as a wallpaper pair. So that means you can set it for the lock screen as well as the home screen. If you want to customize to have the home screen with a separate wallpaper, you tap on Customize Home Screen. Here on the home screen, I can choose a different wallpaper. So for example, that one there. Then tap on Done. Now before tap on Done, you can also choose a color style. You can choose to extend the wallpaper or not. With the extended options, it will kind of blurred. It will show a gradient blur at the top. Okay, so I will turn off extend wallpaper and I'll zoom out. You can also zoom in or zoom out on the pictures as well. And you can reposition the wallpaper. Then tap on Done. Then tap on Done. And now if you go back into your home screen, this is the wallpaper we have just set. And for the lock screen, that is the picture there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.